There's a creature that can survive the vacuum of space, and almost nobody knows it. One tiny animal can survive in space. Stay with me. The kanji. It's the tardigrade, a microscopic, chubby-looking animal. It can endure boiling heat, deep freezing, radiation, and even space itself. It does this by drying out and pausing its life almost completely. And it goes deeper. Some have been revived after more than 30 years frozen solid. Here's the thing, the toughest animal alive is smaller than a grain of sand. Want to get smarter daily? Follow the genius goblin.